Manifest all your dreams and live the life you deserve.
Hello and welcome. Listening to this video with a very positive mind will completely transform your life. I would love to share a concept about abundance, a short, brief, but deep meditation. I welcome you to this channel. My name is Luna, and today I want you to listen mindfully to this video, to every word I'm going to use and to every concept I'll present. This is my gift for you. I want you to think of the abundance that surrounds you. There is abundance anywhere you look. There's abundance of trees, of leaves, of herb. There is abundance of animals in the woods, of birds on the trees. Anywhere you look, you can find abundance. The only limit in our lives is the limit of our own imagination. I want you to stop and take a look at your life. I want you to look at yourself and realize how wonderful it is to be alive on this planet. Breathe in right now. Anywhere you are, just listening to my words. I want you to visualize a funnel, a very big funnel at the top of your head. A funnel on top of you, right on the center of your head. A funnel that breaks through the ceiling you're under. And a funnel that is so huge that reaches outside our planet, out to the universe. There's a powerful flow of energy out there, flowing through the funnel towards you, and it slowly flows to your self-awareness. All of that energy flows non-stop towards you through this funnel. And I want you to feel how it goes to your head, how it moves around your brain, wrapping your ears, wrapping your nose, your lips. It's a creative energy, an energy that creates, and it goes through your body, to your neck, to your throat, to your fingers. And now feel how you feel more and more relaxed while listening to this audio. You're not going to fall asleep, just listen. This energy goes to your chest, to your belly, to your hips. And every time you feel this energy moving through your body, you feel more relaxed. Your mind is clear and pure. And you start to notice your consciousness more and more clear each time. You're now living in a creative world, in your imagination. This energy is moving towards the lowest part of your body. It extends to your knees, towards your feet, and your whole body is calm and relaxed in perfect harmony. You hear my voice, and you're very, very relaxed. You start to notice a change in your self-awareness and the abundance that surrounds you. You start to notice the abundance on your health, and each molecule of your body feels more and more alive than ever. And you feel a powerful expression of your creative force. You feel lighter each time by listening to my voice. Just by listening to my voice. Your imagination starts drawing images in your head. And these images are a reflection of the wonderful life you deserve. I want you to feel more alive than ever. I want you to feel the air coming into your lungs. I want you to feel completely alive. Every day means that you are alive, and no matter what happens, You're taking a firm step towards that life that you deserve. It doesn't matter how slow you go or how long it takes. There's only one thing that matters, and that's never giving up. Even if you're going slow, just don't stop. And I want you to feel these words while you're listening. Just never stop. While you're here, listening, relaxed, and at peace, remember to never stop. Visualize yourself moving towards that goal, achieving every single one of your goals. It's easier than you think. It's easier than you can imagine. And I want you to experience what it would feel like to achieve those goals. I want you to experience pure happiness. And I want you to visualize that your dream came true today. That's right. Today was your big day. And you're now resting from that wonderful experience. It finally happened. And after all this time, you experienced true happiness from achieving that goal. You sense every smell, every thought, and every emotion from that experience. You remember how this day inspired others, how it made others happy, the ones who love you, the ones that are proud of you, but above all of this, how this day felt for the most important person in your life. Yeah, how this day felt for you, how it inspired you after you achieved it, and how proud you are of yourself. While being in this high state of relaxation, I want you to visualize friendship. A friendship that is so strong and unbreakable that you can feel it in every bone. You're allowing these emotions in your consciousness by visualizing them, by feeling the abundance within yourself. Every molecule is at peace because you have full control of your life. Think of every dream. Think of every goal that you have and feel the abundance within you. Feel the abundance flowing from that funnel right into your body. You are one with this abundance, and it reflects on every aspect of your life. You can see yourself celebrating every achievement in a peace state of mind. You are totally relaxed while you become one with the abundance you see everywhere. This is not a dream. It's not a fantasy. It's a potential reality that belongs to you, and you have already earned it by using correctly your imagination. If you can visualize it, then you can make it true. If you can dream it, you can do it. Pure energy full of abundance that flows within you, and you shape it. You have the house of your dreams, and you do what you have always wanted to do with your life, because there is abundance inside you. You are constantly growing in every aspect of your life, and everyone that surrounds you can experience abundance. You are improving their lives. You fill their lives with joy, and they can notice and feel the abundance within you. Every day, for 30 days, you will listen to this video, maybe before going to bed or while you are in a peaceful place. You will relax your body, and you will start to notice how you become lighter and lighter each time. Even while feeling lighter, you will start to feel stronger, more alive and at peace. You are totally relaxed right now, and you're unlocking the abundance in every aspect of your life. You're about to experience a high level of creativity, something that you have never experienced before. Your self-awareness will expand to an unknown level, almost like a superpower. You're going to feel how your life is transformed just by being aware of your consciousness, of your presence, and feeling how all of your potential comes out to the light, how it embraces you as a magnetic field around you while you listen to my voice. Your body is transforming into a magnetic field that only attracts the things that you want in your life. Feel the power within you to easily attract everything you wish for. Your kindness is expanding. Your abundance is expanding. Your self-awareness is expanding. This abundance belongs to you, and it reflects on every aspect of your life. You feel relaxed and at peace. You feel happiness because the abundance was never a stage to reach. Abundance in your life is a natural state of mind. You were born on this planet's abundance, and your destiny, the one you have just unlocked, is to constantly move in abundance through your life. Remember how it felt to make your dream come true. Make sure you repeat that experience tomorrow again, because you deserve to achieve that goal. You deserve to make it true. Repeat this sentence with me. I made it true, and I know how to make it true. I made it true, and I know how to make it true. I have an extraordinary life, and I'm thankful for it. Tomorrow, when I wake up, I'm going to feel renovated, enlightened, and fresh for good. You are more alive than ever. And I want you to listen to this audio for the next 30 days at the same time every day. Keep this video easy to find, because every time you hear this audio, the message will transform your subconscious on a higher level. And last but not least, use this video as a gift for someone. Send it to someone else that you care about, but don't explain the content. Let them discover this precious gift and tell them to play it before going to bed. I promise to take care of the rest. I will welcome them the same way I did with you. So make sure it's someone special. Have sweet dreams. Thank you. Good night.